the Waterloo Catholic District School Board has banned the public from recording their public meetings. The ban prohibits attendees of the public meetings from taking photographs or making audio or video recordings. This was an initiative of the Director of Education, not a board policy. On February 24th, we wrote to the board to warn them that this ban is unconstitutional. The Supreme Court has held that taking audio or video recordings is protected expression under the Charter. And bans which prohibit that kind of activity are an infringement to our right to freedom of expression. We warned the board that this ban, if not reversed, could open the board to legal proceedings. Well, a trustee on the board has taken notice and he's brought a motion to reverse the ban. His motion, if passed, would guarantee the ability of the public to take recordings at meetings, and it would prohibit staff from trying to prevent people from doing so without obtaining board approval first. The motion is going to be voted on March 24th, and we'll be watching closely to see if the board remedies this unconstitutional situation. Beyond the ability of people to make recordings and share them if they want, this matters because school boards are a form of local democracy. Oftentimes, our local democratic institutions are the places where we have the most ability to actually impact what the government is doing. Allowing people to record meetings and then to disseminate the contents of those meetings helps the broader public get more engaged than they otherwise would be able to. The reality is most people don't attend school board meetings. But if the contents of those meetings were recorded and then shared, they'd have a better chance of being able to see what's actually happening, form their own views, and then share their opinions or contact their trustee to make their perspectives known. The Supreme Court has held in the past that one of the fundamental purposes of the right to freedom of expression is to ensure that our democracy works properly. Democracies work by having the opinions of the public drive the policies that governments engage in. That really only works if the public is able to really deliberate and hash out what its opinions are. People need to be able to share their point of view, to be exposed to other people's points of view, and then to think about it and form their own opinions. The democratic legitimacy of the Waterloo Catholic School Board would be strengthened if this motion is passed and the ban is reversed. So we'll be watching to see what happens. But in the meantime, thank you to everyone who donates to the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedom, which makes our work possible. Thanks.